Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I want to share with you a couple of traveler's notebooks that I've purchased recently. One is secondhand and one is brand new, and I'll start off with the brand new one. So I've been heavily influenced by Courtney Diaz. I saw her, I actually met up with her when she came to visit Japan, and I saw her B6, and I believe it was a B6 slim size, and I have a B6 slim in, I believe, yeah, it's a B6 slim in Roadrunner leather, but it just kind of ignited more interest again in the B6 and the B6 slim size. And so this is from Sojourner, from Rowena, and let's open it up. Oh, it's so nice. Wow. Okay, so I believe this is called the Wraparound. Let's see here. There's that. If you want to pause, you can read that. Oh, I really like this one here too. I'm thinking this is the Roadrunner. She includes leather samples as well. I think this feels like Roadrunner. And then the tea is the glazed lemon loaf. Oh, that sounds really nice. So I believe this is called the Wraparound Traveler's Notebook. I'm not 100% sure actually, so I will post the proper name down below, and it has the natural leather pockets. So these ones, well, everything in general will patina nicely over time with use, but this leather pocket will darken a bit, and I chose, for the first time I chose the Stag Leather. I love this like tan brown. Oh, I wish it's coming up a little darker on camera. It's a really nice caramel color. It's very, very pretty. And then I've requested in the notes section for it to be a smidgen like wider. I think she mentioned in one of her older videos that if you request that, she can you can make it a little bit wide, so just shoot her an email. And then I also mentioned in my comments that I don't mind leather that is like marked or dinged up or anything like that. I absolutely love it. I'm not careful with my notebooks, or sometimes I am, I guess, but I like the rugged look. So oh, this color, this brown color is really, really nice. I just wish it would show up properly on camera. It's coming up dark on camera, but it's a really nice, sweet caramel color. And really, really nice. I can't stop touching it. I can't wait for this natural leather to darken up. Let me do a comparison with my Roadrunner. My Roadrunner is like a B6 Slim. So here's my Roadrunner. This is the B6 Slim, and I housed my Hobonichi Weeks in this beautiful notebook cover. I really like the Roadrunner leather as well. One day I kind of actually want to roll it, but I'm really loving this smooth feeling. But maybe one day I'll roll it. I'm sorry, I don't know why in the camera it's coming up so dark. But this is the B6 Slim, and then this is the regular B6. So you can see the size comparison there. Originally I was thinking of putting in the Jibun Techo. I saw Courtney use it when I met up with her, and I really, really liked how she uses it as a planner. But I don't know, I was kind of, before purchasing it, I was really looking over the dimensions, and I don't know if it's going to be big enough for what I need to use it for. I was hoping to use it for work, but I'm thinking that it's a tiny bit small. Right now I'm using an A5, and I'm really enjoying that size, so I think I'm going to stick to that for now until my calendar runs out in July, and then I'll have to reassess. But oh, this is so pretty. So there's the Wraparound Traveler's Notebook. I think you can most definitely fit, I was going to see if I could put my cell phone in there, but I'm filming on my cell phone, so I can't tell you, but it's big enough for the cell phone and maybe some pens and things. I think it would be a really nice pocket for like if you're out to go out drawing or anything like that. And she also included, sorry, I didn't even mention it, she included a really nice dot grid insert as well. So there's that. And then from the Facebook group, I found this beauty. It's secondhand. I purchased it from Rita. She also has a YouTube channel, so check that out. And she posted this B6 size. And now that I'm thinking, I'm really sorry. I think I made a mistake. This is a B6 size, and these are both B6 slim size. This one is considered a smidgen wider than the B6 slim. Does that make sense? Yes, so sorry about that. This is a B6 size, and then these two are both B6 slim. One is with request to have it a little bit wider because, yeah, I wanted to kind of stuff it, so sorry about that. But anyways, so this is the B6 size, and I don't know what the leather is, but it's so pretty. You can see it's very, like it's more on the textured side compared to the smooth Roadrunner and the smooth one here in Stag. That's more of like a textured pebbly one. And she was so kind enough, and she also included a Muji notebook in the B6 size as well here, and it's just a lined one. And this one is a folio. As opposed to these ones are traveler's notebooks, so it has a pocket there, and then 2 credit card slots there. And so I think I'm going to use this. Actually, I don't have a B6. I was going to use the Jibun Techo, but I was going to use a Jibun Techo in here, but I don't know, I have to rejig my planning, I guess. And so I'm going to probably use that. And this, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This one is heavily influenced by Burgess Taylor. She has some amazing videos on her journals, and I could watch her for hours. She just flips through her journal pages, and she does live planning, and her journals are made by Bree, and Bree also has a YouTube channel. So Bree, Burgess Taylor, Rita, I'll post all of their information down below, as well as, of course, Rowena and Sojourner. But this is her beautiful artwork from Bree from Documented Journey, and so pretty. Originally I was going to go for the Tomoe River paper, but I have easier access to Tomoe River paper, and I've never tried this Strathmore mixed media paper before, and I thought I would give it a shot. And it's in the Coptic stitch, so it opens up nice and flat. So I'm really excited to try it out. And she was so kind enough. She said she had an extra pencil board as well, and this is so pretty. I love this. So, and there's the back side. It's so nice. I'm kind of sad that if I put it in here, then her artwork is, you know, it gets covered, but I guess you can see it on that side. Yeah, I was originally thinking of putting this one. So this is for my weeks. I'm gonna keep this aside for now, but I was thinking of putting this in here, and because I think I might bulk it up. Yeah, I'll leave that side there. I'm not sure. What do you think? I might bulk it up. Oh, this is so pretty. I don't know what to do. But anyways, so I might either put this one in here, or I was thinking of putting these two together so that I have one notebook for writing things, and then the Strathmore mixed media notebook in one spot. Like, it fits so nicely in one notebook cover, but at the same time I want to use this. It's so pretty. So anyways, that is a quick look at, I guess, my recent haul. Oh, I need to find a reason to use this. This is so pretty. I love her traveler's notebook covers because they're nice and very portable, and they're lightweight. And sometimes I feel like my traveler's notebook. The regular one gets a little bit too heavy and that's why most of the time I leave it at home. But the ones from Sojourner are always like really nice and compact and lightweight. You can see the patina on this one. So that's what it's going to eventually look like. It's so pretty. But anyways, those are my recent purchases. I'm going to have to show you what I'm currently using. I'm using an A5 size for my planner, and I'm using a regular traveler's notebook for some of my journaling and things, and now I have these two beauties, so I need to kind of shift things around and I'll do an updated video. So I hope you enjoy this video of the traveler's notebooks from Sojourner and some of my goodies that I purchased recently. Please stay tuned. I filmed several videos. I filmed several Hobonichi Techo videos. I've also filmed like a flip through of my journal here. Then I just kind of need to edit and post up. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for that. And I will see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.